may make and subscribe oath or affirmation according to the form set out for the purpose in the third schedule to the Constitution of India. Now I read out the warrant of appointment of Honorable Chief Justice. By virtue of the power vested in me by Clause 1 of Article 217 of Constitution of India, I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, do hereby appoint Shri Justice Sheel Nagu, Judge of the Madhya Pradesh High Court, to be the Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court, with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this 4th day of July, in the year 2024, 13th Ashad 1946 Saka, in the 75th year of the Republic of India. Now I request Mr. Justice Sheel Nagu to take the oath as Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court.
I, Sheel Nagu,
having been appointed Chief Justice of Punjab and Haryana High Court,
having been appointed Chief Justice of the Punjab and Haryana High Court,
do swear
in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India,
as by law established,
as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully
that I will duly and faithfully
and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor,
perform the duties of my office without fear or favor,
affection or ill will,
affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Thank you.
I request Honorable Governor Punjab to hand over the warrant of appointment to Honorable Chief Justice. Now I seek permission of Honorable Governor of Punjab to close the oath-taking ceremony. I request all to rise for national anthem. I announce the closing of the ceremony and invite the guests for tea.